Hi everyone, here we've got Alcatel One X, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using the dialer, so let's open it and let's type *#06#. And as you can see here, we are provided with both IMEI numbers. Let's click on OK, and let me show you the second option. It is using the settings. So let's open the list of apps. Let's find the settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom to choose the system and click on About Phone. Now let's tap on Status, and here we've got the serial number, and if you want to check the IMEI info, then simply tap on IMEI information. As you can see here, we are provided with IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Alcatel One X. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.